In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can cut an apple. So first, make sure the sticker is peeled off. After that, give it a rinse with water underneath your tap, and then grab a knife. Make sure the knife is fairly sharp. And then what you want to do is come to the apple and kind of place your knife directly in the center, like so. And then you split the apple into half. Now, grab one half, and then following that line, create another half like that. And now we have 2/4. And now, pay attention to this. After that, we want to kind of cut off this bit from here to here. So, like so. And then this piece is removed like that. And then there we go. Now we want to do this for our other piece on a 45-degree angle, like that. Make sure to get all the core out of it. Coming over to our other apple. Boom, boom. If you do happen to miss the core, like I just did there, and it is still fairly hard, just place back and try again until the core is completely removed. Always be careful for any slippages and to not cut your finger. Now, depending on the size of the apple, you can rather cut it into halves. This apple piece is pretty small, so directly half like that, and then you have 2 apple slices. Or if the apple slice is fairly large, like this one, you can cut it into thirds. So, going like this. And you see, this one is in thirds. If you do want a bigger apple slice, you can cut a big slice into halves, like this. But as you can see, the size difference is up to your preference. Now, finally, the last piece, like here. Always be careful because this is a curve, you can slip and cut your fingers. So make sure the knife is under control. And there you have your apple slices. Depending on how many you can get anywhere between 8 to 16 apple slices. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other tutorials, leave a comment in the description and I'll get back to you and make a video about that one. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.